Good morning. So I had some people ask me about crocheting using triple crochet and keeping my edges straight, and how do I turn to do the next row. So I've already done a couple of rows of triple crochet right here, this row and this row, on top of a few rows of doubles here, just to show you what the edges would look like here. When I turn, normally, all right, let me start over. Normally what people do is chain 3 for a triple, and then they turn and then they count that as their first stitch, and it always looks pretty sloppy to me. I don't like chain 3 as my first stitch. So what I do is I chain 1, I turn, and then I'm going to triple into that same first space right here, the one where I just did the chain. It's hard for me to do this slowly, sorry. Especially that first stitch, isn't that always hard? All right, so it looks like 2, but wait and see. It's really, you're going to count that as your first. Excuse me, I have allergies and it's raining today. I'm sorry. So there, we're going to put a triple in every single triple all the way across the row. And I'll show you again at the other side how I do that. Okay, we've reached the other side of that row. Looks like that. Once again, I'm going to chain 1 to turn my work, triple, in the very first stitch, triple, in the second, triple in the third, and we're going to keep going. We're going to triple all the way across that row in every single triple. And I'll meet you at the other end. Okay, I've reached the other side of that row, and this is how it looks after 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of triple while doing a chain 1 and triple in the same stitch after you turn. This is what it looks like. Look at how straight that is. Look at those nice edges. I don't have those ugly, in my opinion, there's ugly chain 3s on my edges. So there you go. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them for you. Have fun crocheting.